and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to cook some frozen fish. You know, you go down the frozen fish aisle and you see bags of fish. I have tilapia here with me today. Well, I have a quick and easy way, and it's nice and seasoned. You put it in your oven and next thing you know, boom, fish is ready. So let me show you how to do that recipe. But first let me tell you, I have other simple recipes on my channel, and I have a couple other things. I have container gardening tips so you can grow your own vegetables. Yes, in containers, whether you have 1 container or 50 containers. And I do product reviews to help you in your decision making. So let's get to that fish. I have the fish in my dish ready to cook. I've lightly oiled it with olive oil. I'm putting the garlic and sprinkling that around it. In here I have some Beau Monde Seasoning, Beau Monde, and this is a good all-purpose seasoning that you should have in your cupboard. It has salt, onion, and celery seed. It gives a nice flavor. So I'm going to sprinkle that over here. I'm going to do some black pepper. Actually, I think I want a little bit more of that Beau Monde. That stuff is good. Let me get some more in there. I'm going to put all the measurements and the ingredients down in the description box so you don't have to worry. I also have a little bit of white wine. That's about a 1/4 cup of white wine. And I'm putting this in a 350-degree oven, and we'll meet you back when it's done. The fish is done and it's looking so yummy. There's a nice little sauce in there. I'm going to give it a taste. Get some of that sauce. Here I go. Nice and flaky and delicious. Woo! Mmm. That has the great flavor of that Beau Monde seasoning with that celery salt in there, the little hint of garlic, that white wine in there making a delicious sauce. It's so delicious. You have to make this for yourself, your friends, and your family. That's it for now. Bye bye.